Hello guys and welcome back to another box opening of this little thing. So as you can tell, it's another Safi mystery box. I take the top a t-shirt for you because I liked it and it's came free with it, so yeah, so let's find out on what the duties are. So make sure you leave a like and subscribe guys, so let's open up this wee box. Okay. All this wobbly set. This is what it looks like in the sleeper box, guys. Nice. A fine Outpost 21 Mechanine, which is nice. One is a Tamer Phones magnet of Elstark. And then a wee that one, it only came in a medium, it would fit me, but yeah, nice, yeah, but a nice wee Batman t-shirt. Yeah. And then, last but not least, so Green Lantern Bumblebees, which is a nice wee touch. So yeah, to be fair, I was expecting all of the same stuff from before. I thought it, to be fair, at least one item the same. But yes, but yeah, I think that's not a bad time to get a few things free with a t-shirt and a t-shirt and another t-shirt that won't fit me since it's a medium and I'm not a medium yet. Yes. Oh. So yeah. Yeah, I think I was expecting this photo to be Mondo, to be fair, but yeah, I think it's neat. I might build this on stream maybe, but let me know in the comments guys if I should build this on stream guys. Let me know. And also, yeah, I'll probably make another video on opening this up. I do not do, and one of my friends is a massive Game of Thrones fan, so I will be definitely this, to be fair. But yeah, so thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you next time. I would like to thank my Patreons for supporting me on Patreon, and if you would like to support me on Patreon, you are more than welcome to support me on there as well guys.